Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko, and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the U.S. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to Buffalo and have some fun. Yeah. Today you're going to learn the single, double, and triple wing time step. So, for those of you Buffalonians out there, and you want to call it a buffalo wing time step, then do that. Here we go. So with a single, you're going to do a stomp on the 8, brush hop step, and then you're going to flap and wing with your right foot at the same time. So flap with the left and wing and then stomp. That's it. Then you repeat on the left side. You did a stomp already, brush hop, step, flap with the right, wing with the left, and then stomp with the right. Try it a little bit more quickly. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of, sort of? All right, now let's do the double. So now you're going to do a stomp, brush hop, flap, wing, step, stomp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush hop, flap, wing, and stomp. Brush hop, flap, wing, and stomp. Try that more quickly. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. So just naturally, I want to do this with my arms because the triple was in the 42nd Street Musicale. So speaking of which, let's do the triple. So you're going to do a stomp, then you're going to do a brush hop shuffle step, and then you're going to flap and wing at the same time. Flap, wing, step, stomp. Then you do it on the left side. Brush hop shuffle step, flap, wing, step, stomp. Try that more quickly. A 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing with my arms, if you feel adventurous, so bring them out, in, and around and stop. Let's do 2 singles, 2 doubles, and 2 triples, shall we? A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. Triple. You learned all 3. The buffalo wing time step. Here are 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples of the wing, or buffalo wing, as I like to call it, time step. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.